was originally designed by Cothran Harris, who is an architect that's well known here in Wilmington. It's not fancy, but it's elegant. And that's the wonderful thing about this house. Every season brings something new and exciting. The egrets come in the morning. I come out and there may be a whole group of them out on the water. It's like a convention out there. There can be hundreds of them. And it really is kind of quite beautiful. I think also the wildlife is greater because it's so quiet back here. And in the winter, we get the deer crossing the water, and that's pretty much fun to watch. And there's something every season, and it makes it really quite magical. The thing that it's interesting to me, the places I love, of course, is the living room. And the thing I love about that is that you pass through that room no matter where you go in this house. And so I always feel that I'm using it. It doesn't matter what room you're in this house, you see the water. And that's the thing that's so wonderful about it. I love being here in Landfall. It's a wonderful community, and we're very close to the beach, so we oftentimes will go over to the beach, more so when my children were all here and grandchildren, and we'd all pile in and go over there. Just to be close to where the restaurants are. We have wonderful restaurants here. Of course, downtown Wilmington is always fun. And we have Thalian Hall, which has wonderful productions that they do. So we really do enjoy it and love being here. Of course, now I'm ready to move on. My children are all grown. Grandchildren are grown, and they're all off doing their own thing now. And so it's time for me to go out and find new adventures. And I think it's time for someone else to come in and be the caretaker of this house, because they will get so much joy out of this house. They will always have wonderful new adventures too within this house.